Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video. We're taking a look today at AUDUSD dollar or AUD dollar from this peak here, which would have been sometime around the end of October last year, 28th of October there. We see that we had a move lower. We have this move lower here, and then we have what appears to be a corrective structure here, and therefore we would expect a continuation to the downside, right? Now, the question that may arise already is whether this corrective structure here is done as it is like this, or whether there's a chance the corrective structure could do something like this, or even that, before we see a move to the downside. Okay, so I present to you a labeled 1 hourly view, one of the views between the two views that I've just shared. One of the views that I've just shared here. So in this view here, one can see that from the peak that I was referring to, which would have completed wave X at the end of October, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in 1, a pullback in 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in 3, a pullback in 4, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves lower in 5 of A in red, right? And then from there, we had what appears to be an A, B, C, where we propose that our wave B has completed. And if one looks at the Fibonacci retracement, B has reached and exceeded 50% of A in terms of retracement. It's in fact between 50 and 60%, right? And that's why we propose that we may have had our B there in this view. It's possible, however, to still have B up there if this gives us a running flat correction or an expanding flat correction of some sort like this. We could still have our B there before we get our move within C lower, okay? Within C of Y, that's X, we'd be expecting Y in yellow lower somewhere here, right? Now, if price keeps going higher and breaks above B, it is very likely that we would be having our B somewhere there. However, if price goes high, but does not break above this level here where we propose B has completed, we are very likely going to be having our 1 here and our 2 there. Okay, and then if one looks from the peak of B there, we'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, where 5 is the longest. Where 5 of 1 is the longest, longer than 3, longer than 1. But the most important thing is that 3 is longer than 1. So 3 is not the shortest. In terms of Elliott wave, if 3 is the shortest, that cannot be looked at as a impulse. So this would be some leading diagonal of some sort within wave 1. Then if that's the case, then wave 2 cannot go above the start of wave 1, as we know as per the rules. So if price does not break above this level here, where we propose B is completed, then B would still remain there. However, if price breaks above it, then B would be in the new position there. Now, the question is, which one of these two scenarios is more likely? Right? Because one wants to take advantage of, let's say, one maintains this view that we have currently. If this is 1, this would likely be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A of 2. This 1, 2, 3 would be B of 2. And then we would expect C of 2 before we can see a move lower in C in the red degree or in 3 in the green degree of C in the red degree, right? Now, you want to sell. You want to look to sell when 2 completes, right? But that is if you are sure that wave B is completed there indeed. And how do you know? How do you have confidence, or how do you arrive or determine that B is indeed completed there, and this is 1 of C, this would be 2 of C, and when it completes, I'm going to sell? How do you ascertain that B will not, or is very unlikely to be in a different position than it is now? And now that would be the question that arises. And to answer that question, I invite you to take advantage of the special that we have on our full course, where we teach on how to arrive at such conclusions. We've got the 30% of our full course, one-on-one, and a lifetime plan. All right, and there's only 3 days left until this special lapses. If you're interested, you can visit our website at www.trading-waves.com and take advantage of the special whilst it lasts. We'll be looking forward to welcoming you on board and to share with you the knowledge that we have. We hope this video is beneficial to you. Cheers.